Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're making shrimp brochette along with some garlic and herb and butter cauliflower rice. Here's what you'll need: garlic, your cauliflower rice, you will need some bacon, salt, Creole seasoning. I have both. I have Creole and I have Slap Your Mama, so either one would do. Old Bay seasoning, pepper, parsley flakes. You will need toothpicks, Monterey Jack cheese, butter, and the main ingredient, the shrimp. Okay, so what we're going to do, and the jalapeno. Yes, sir. So what we're going to do is we're going to prepare the shrimp. We're going to stuff it with Monterey Jack cheese and jalapeno, and then we're going to wrap it in bacon, and then we'll throw them in the oven. So you'll need to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and you will be placing these on a baking sheet with parchment paper, and you will put them in the middle rack until the shrimp is done, and you will know when the shrimp is done. We're going to stick them with toothpicks so they won't curl all the way up. You know, when the shrimp gets done, it curls up like this. So we'll stick them with toothpicks so we can keep them like this. Alright, so let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is get this jalapeno pepper julienned. Cut all these seeds off because we don't want to be on fire. We just want the flavor of the jalapeno. Cut this membrane out, and we will scrape all this other stuff out and the seeds. There we go. We'll julienne this. I have 16 shrimp, so I'll need 16 slithers of jalapeno, and that's what we will stuff with the Monterey cheese. Inside the shrimp. Not real thick pieces, just nice slithers. Alright, and what I'll do is I'll cut the other half off camera so the filming won't be so long. I'll cut the other half off camera, and I'll also slice the cheese into 16 slithers also, maybe a little bigger than this, and then we'll be ready to stuff them. Okay, be right back. Okay, I'm just going to show you guys how I've been cutting up some of the cheese. So I took the block and I just sliced it like so, this, and then these are the slices, and I'm just cutting these into threes, just like so. Into threes, and this is what we'll use to stuff our shrimp. Oh, so wonderful. If you guys never had this, I mean, it is amazing. I usually get this at Papadeaux and and at Papadeaux and at Razoo's. Both of them do Creole cooking, so this is usually where I get this, so I decided to make some myself. Okay, so we got our cheese, we got our jalapenos. Let's get this bacon open. And I don't know yet if I'll use the whole strip of bacon on one or cut this. I got center cut, especially for this dish, and I'm not sure if I'll cut this in half. Even though I got colossal shrimp, they just look like jumbo shrimp to me right now. I don't know if I'll cut this bacon in half and wrap around. Pull a couple slices out. Something right there. Okay. Assembly time. Well, let me season up our shrimp first. So I'm just going to sprinkle a little of the obey on it. Just a little, because I'm gonna go heavy with the Creole seasoning. And since I'm sharing this dish with my mom, she's not a real spice girl, because I would have used slap your mama, but she doesn't like spicy. Like, what's wrong with her, right? I guess she says the same thing about me because I don't like onions. So I guess we even. And I apologize because I went grocery shopping today and forgot to video my grocery haul for you guys. And so I'm going to have to catch it next time because I already put everything up. And I'm going to go in with a little bit of black pepper. And just a tad bit of salt. And then we're going to assemble, toothpick, and get them ready for the oven. Okay, so we'll take our shrimp, and see they've already been deveined, so I'm just going to slice down a little further. And then you'll take your jalapeno, take the cheese, and just put it right down that slit, along with a slice of the jalapeno. And then we wrap it with the bacon. Just go around that sucker, just like so. There you have it. I'm going to wrap one more up for you guys on camera, and then I'll assemble the rest of them off camera. Just cut it down a little deeper. Put your cheese down in there. Put your slice of jalapeno down in there. Get your cut of bacon. And I didn't get thick bacon because I wanted to be able to wrap this and I wanted to be able to cook in the oven. Just like so. And there you go. Take your toothpick. I forgot to show you on the first one. You'll stick it right through the back of the shrimp, all the way through the front of the shrimp, so that it'll stay in place. And you also can take one, if your bacon gets unwrapped, you just poke it right through the bacon so it can stay wrapped. There you go. See the jalapeno and cheese sticking out the bacon. Okay, so I'm gonna do the rest off camera and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. So I had a little left over. So I'm gonna take this and bag it up for next time. Yes. Okay, don't forget to have your ovens preheated. Instead of 350, I would preheat it to 400. It really depends on where you live too and your altitude. Sometimes that affects your baking. So what I did was, these are the first couple that I did. And this was with a full piece of bacon. What I did was I took the bacon, slid it down the middle, and used halves to wrap because I want the bacon to be able to cook without the shrimp cooking. You know, because shrimp cooks fast, and I didn't want the shrimp to be cooked and the bacon not cooked. And then we have rubbery shrimp. So I took half a piece, and this is what it looks like with just half a slice, not half, but down the middle of bacon wrapped around it. And I didn't do the whole 16 because I'm going to use some shrimp for, some of the shrimp for some shrimp scampi later on in the week. So I've saved about 5 or 6 of them to use for later on in the week. And then I'm just going to one-up these and sprinkle just a little more Tony's over top of the bacon. Yes. So we'll get these in the oven, and I'll tell you later how long it took for me to keep them in the oven for them to be done, because I'm not really sure. I'm thinking maybe 15 to 20 minutes, maybe 20, because bacon usually only takes 15 to 20 minutes in the oven. So I'm just thinking that, but we'll play it by ear. I'll let you guys know. Be right back. Shrimp fresh out of the oven, still bubbling hot. Can't wait to dig into these suckers. Next we're going to prepare the rice, the Creole style, garlic and herb rice with bacon bits. How about that? Be right back. Okay, so we're going to add some butter. And half a tablespoon of some minced garlic. Just half. Got the garlic and butter all melted. Let's reduce this to a medium heat so the garlic won't burn. You don't want it to burn. And let's add our cauliflower rice. Hold back. Jumping in. I'm going to add some of the Creole seasoning. dash of salt. Pink Himalayan, by the way. Then we're going to add some bacon pieces. Add some parsley to the mix. Alright, I'm going to get this plated. We'll be right back. Alright guys, here we go. This is the finished product. Ooh wee, look at that. Look at this. This is some Cajun cauliflower rice with herbs, garlic, and bacon, and butter. And these are our shrimp brochettes, Monterey cheese, a slither of jalapeno wrapped in bacon. Can't wait. Let's see. There you go. Look at that. Can we get it focused? Let's see. Oops. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. I had these shrimp in the oven for about 35 minutes. Then I put it on broil at the very end to get the bacon a little darker in color. Oh wow. This tastes just like Papadeaux. If you like this recipe, please press the like button. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed. And share it with a friend. Until next time, peace, love, and soul.